All right, let's take a look at this problem where we're trying to match the graphs of three logarithmic functions with the functions themselves. So when we're doing these, what we like to do is we want to think about key points. And there are a couple different ways you can think about these key points. Now, on logarithmic functions, they all have the same key point, 1, 0. As you can see, these all kind of cross over here. The x-axis, they all have the same x-intercept at 1. All right, the other key point is when we look at log base b of x, they should have b comma 1 as being a second key point. All right, so one of these should be pretty easy. I'm looking at that whole number for our base, log base 2. It should have the key point 2, 1 on it. So looking through here, looks like 2, 1, the closest one we get is right there. That's going to have to be a to go along with that. Now these others are fractional bases, which makes it a little bit more difficult. If we take a look at log base 1/3, it should contain 1/3 comma 1, which, 1/3 is between 0 and 1. Looks like, give or take, right about there. It's closer than this other one. Whereas 3/4 as a base should have 3/4 comma 1 as its key point. All right, that's probably going to go along with C. Let's go ahead and think about another key point that we can also think of when we have these fractional bases. The other key point we can think of is if you use the reciprocal of our base, you flip it upside down, we go 3 over 1, and then use a -1 as our y component. So this would be the ordered pair 3, -1 should go along with log base 1/3 of x. So 3, -1 lines up a little bit nicer, but it also kind of corresponds with what we were saying. That should end up with b. This other one should be 4/3 comma -1. So 4/3, improper fraction, a little bit bigger than 1. 4/3 -1 would look like that. So that's going to go along with C. So I hope this helps out. Remember, if you have fractional bases, you can always use the reciprocal as long as you use -1 for the y component. All right, identify those key points. Good luck with it.